You've got the talent, now you need the perfect portfolio to let it shine. Here's how to set up a professional portfolio and format that showcases your work to clients and the world in the best possible light. We'll cover 3 things: customizing the look and feel, setting up pro tools that streamline sales and client management, and optimizing your brand and visibility. First up is picking the right aesthetic for your portfolio. Format makes this easy and inspiring by offering dozens of thoughtfully designed contemporary themes. Whatever your discipline, filters help you find one that ties them all together. All themes are hyper-customizable with intuitive functionality that suits every skill level, so you can assemble a professional portfolio in minutes. An excellent example is editorial photographer Brittany Bravo, who uses the theme Peak to show off her work. Bravo blends the tiled gallery pages of her theme with a bespoke staggered layout for projects built with FlexBlock. By marrying these 2 layouts, she offers a stunning overview and the ability to dive deeper into individual bodies of work. Next, think about who's going to see your work. Are you presenting images to agencies, galleries, collectors? Our creator-friendly themes cater to every professional use case, so you can serve your story to target audiences. Put your best foot forward with a collection page, aka image navigation. Each image is a portal to a new page, allowing viewers to browse the full range of your work before narrowing in on a particular project. This is especially powerful when your work spans a range of disciplines or client bases. Are you tempted by several theme options? Format solves decision paralysis by allowing you to switch from theme to theme without losing your work. Preview endless design customizations from spacing to colors, typography to social sharing to discover the ideal flow for your audience and desired viewing experience before committing to a final layout. Next up are custom pages and our innovative FlexBlock system. While your chosen theme applies consistent look across your entire portfolio, Format's custom pages offer the ultimate in personalization on a page-by-page basis. Start from scratch or adapt existing templates. Every option is fully customizable. Custom pages frequently include About, Contact, CV, and Services pages, as well as unique one-page destinations for special projects. They're tailor-made for creatives whose work doesn't neatly fit in one category, allowing for a multitude of media that is as diverse as your disciplines. Custom pages spring to life with Format's FlexBlock system. It allows you to create layouts without limits. Best of all, like everything on Format, no coding is required. Set a color, image, or video as the full bleed section background, then add elements on top. Play with opacity, cropping, corner radius, and even overlapping elements, all on a SnapGrid system that offers complete creative control. Here you can explore Ben Sheetz' custom page for his ChromaDepth video processing engine. He uses FlexBlock to layer GIFs, video, and text to explain and showcase the software's capabilities. This creates a narrative flow that's enticing, easy to follow, and as innovative as the work itself. Within one dashboard, you can track client projects from first contact to final delivery, manage leads, send contracts, share private proofing galleries, and handle file transfers all within Format. No bouncing between email, file storage, and invoicing apps. Plus, simplify your opportunities with Format's built-in e-commerce solutions. Here you can create a storefront that's perfectly integrated into your Format portfolio. Maintain the same look and feel as you list individual pieces and group projects into themed collections. Custom confirmation and shipping messages simplify admin while keeping your brand front and center in every interaction. Your brand isn't just visual. Carry over a consistent impression with a custom domain that elevates your presence. Easily align your domain name in site settings where you can purchase a domain directly from Format, transfer an existing domain, or connect with an external registrar. This is also where you can edit SEO for all pages and designate custom preview images. As you can see, making a professional portfolio on Format is a snap. Now it's your turn to show the world everything you do, all in one place. Pick a theme, drop in your best media, and watch your portfolio come to life. And if you hit snags, you can contact our human-powered support team anytime. Thank you for choosing Format.